In a quiet little garden, a bright morning begins. The sun rises gently and nature wakes up. A young boy walks in holding a mango and an orange. He smiles, dreaming of growing his own fruit trees. With care, he prepares the soil. Rich compost and soft earth are mixed to give the seeds a healthy start. He gently plants the mango and orange seeds into separate pots full of hope and excitement. A light watering begins. Each drop brings life soaking into the soil. The pots are placed under warm sunlight. The seeds rest, ready to grow. Days pass by. Sunshine and rain take turns, quietly helping nature do its work. One morning, something magical happens. Tiny green sprouts appear from the soil. The boy smiles with joy. Every day, he waters the plants and cares for them gently. Soon, the plants become young trees. They are moved into the garden soil to grow freely. Soft flowers bloom on the branches, filling the air with a light, sweet fragrance. Little fruits begin to form. Mangoes and oranges slowly grow bigger each day. The fruits ripen beautifully. Golden mangoes and bright oranges shine in the sunlight. It's harvest time. The boy carefully picks the fruits and fills his basket with pride. He shares the fresh fruits with his family. Smiles, laughter, and happiness fill the moment. As the sun sets, the garden glows with life. From tiny seeds to fruitful trees, the journey is complete.